how to uninstall apps in Windows 11. Go to Start button, right-click and go to Settings. In the settings on the left-hand side, you want to go to Apps, click on that and you'll see at the very top here Installed Apps, so we click on that. We have an apps list and here, for example, we have 80 apps found. I want to uninstall BitTorrent here. Another way to find it would be to start typing in. On the right-hand side we have the three dots. For the menu we can click on that and choose Uninstall. It warns you this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click on Uninstall. And the tick mark remove settings and click on OK. And the uninstall will run. Often enough you're going to have to answer this question: do you want this app to make changes to your device? This is the uninstall.